Do you think it's possible to make money using the Elliott Wave theory itself, like without adding anything else? Well, I have been trading with this technique for over 15 years, and something that I can tell you after all these years in the markets is that any technical analysis tool like Elliott Wave or anything that you can imagine, a moving average, indicator, pattern, price action, anything needs to be confirmed with the intention of the liquidity provider to make this work. It's something that is a market truth. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Today, I'm going to show you a real trade that we were following in the Elliott Wave Street community. We have a Discord channel where we share, where we go through the trades on the live markets. And this is a great example from today. Here we have traders, the wave A and the B wave. And the plan is to sell the B wave. The question is if that's a good idea or not. Because accordingly to the wave count, it makes sense. However, the wave count can change, right? The wave count can become an impulse. And all the things that can happen in the markets. But the question is if that's a high probability trade. If we should try to sell it in order to come back here to the previous low. What do you think? Please type it in the comments. Do you think it's a good idea to sell it? Or you are seeing a different wave count? Because that's another alternative, right? There are different wave counts. It's a subjective theory. Well, we are going to go through this process to find the answer. So traders, a market fact is that the market moves based on the big guy. I call it the big guy. So the big guy is a set of 10 institutions. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citibank, the big guy. They provide liquidity into the markets. They create the effort and of course then the result, effort and result. And when we don't add the big guy point of view in our chart, it's gonna be almost impossible to make money in the longer term. That makes sense, you know. Most traders, 90% or so of traders are losing their money, are going to lose all their money, are going to have probably a one good week and the rest of bad weeks, right? That's a market reality. The big guy is capturing all that money. When we use just pure price action or pure technical analysis, the problem is that we are gambling. That's a market truth. Because how I can tell that the market is going down or if it's going up? We can adjust several market techniques for one way or the other, right? We can say, oh, this is a Elliott Wave zigzag, so the price is going down. Other trader could say, oh, no, look at the breakout of the resistance, so this is a bullish move. Other will add moving average techniques or indicators at the bottom, and there are going to be different opinions, and probably we can find the same amount of bullish positions or bearish positions accordingly to each technique. Traders, we develop here for you in the Elliott Wave Street community a simple way of finding that intention from the big guy. So if we are wondering if we should be selling or buying, let's say, we can call the big guy. This is an indicator that we develop on TradingView. The big guy here is selling. The big guy is selling. So today in the morning, we were looking, traders, for the sell trade because the big guy is selling and the price is going up, right? That's quite easy. The black line is going down, the price is going up. So this confirms that the intention from the big guy is to sell. So then we can go back to the wave count chart and we can say, okay, now I have something else. I have that point of view of this big guy, and he at this stage is selling. So now I have with a high probability that the directional move that the big guy is looking for today is to the downside. So the next step is finding how I'm gonna trigger. If I like the 30-minute chart or the hourly chart or the 5-minute chart, if I'm day trading, scalping, swing trading, of course, that's something that we can guide you as well in that process. In the bigger picture, we need to sell it. So we are going to make the exercise here. The price started to sell nicely because that was the big guy intention. And the price moved nicely to the previous low. Okay, so that was the right wave count. But the point is how we can tell before the fact if that's the right wave count or not. That's the issue, right? Let's make the exercise from the indicator point of view. So we are going to work with a concept that we call the supply plus candle. So this is our trigger. This is something extremely easy that you can learn with us now to find out the timing, right? And we sell it there, the entry point at the 108.30 with a protective stop loss at the 36. So it's a 6-point stop loss in this case for the day trade. And it did a potential movement of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 risk-reward ratio. I believe that in order to make money in the longer term in these markets, we need to risk a little, and when the trading plan works, let it run. Let it run. That's the only way of being successful. And when the setup is not working, cut losses quickly. So our trading model is based on that concept, along with the liquidity and the Elliott wave counts. That with this additional confirmation, it becomes a powerful tool. If you want to join our group, I have been doing this for 15 years, and if you want to join our community, we have a fantastic community on Elliott Wave Street, which you're going to have access to the live room, let's say. It's a live streaming on the markets every day. You're going to get the charts, you're going to get the Elliott Wave analysis, you're going to get a lot of tools, you're going to get these trading plans, right? So if you want to join us, if you want to join our community, we have the Elliott Wave Street membership. We create this membership to show you in the real markets how to apply the Elliott Wave theory and also how to read this big guy from different perspectives. It's a whole experience that is going to improve your trading. On ElliottWaveStreet.com, here you can find our memberships. We have a test drive, a trial of $19 the first month, and then the regular rate, so you can try it out for just $19, any of the plans. So please explore the website, please have a look at the offer that we have here, and join us in this fantastic community. Traders, have a fantastic rest of your trading day. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.